Mona not let all these politicians tap in our anger wey just rise so. They want profit from our anger. I beg you all not to fall for this trap. I beg una. Now they don't understand the power of social media. Politicians no need to give people ratata again. No, they just need to just look for somebody with voice strong for social media. Use that person to start war for town. Not be saying a lie. Now waiting just dey happen so. Now so whole country say they fight a cold war now. Hi guys, welcome back to Sophie Universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May he or she open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion on hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. To my adorable, gallant, beautiful subscribers that keep coming back to check me out, to see what I got to offer. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May your she guide your going out and your coming in, your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want us to share with you now the hot topic with the social media where everybody talk about. I take come up for myself. I say if I not talk about this one, who I help and waiting I gain, with all due respect to the people or to the persons who I want to talk about today. Still on Edo matter things. It concern SARS matter too. It concern corruption too. This one just fall out from my own mother and fatherland, Edo State, Benin City. I think many of us wey dey Europe, wey don dey social media, don see wetin dey sup for Edo State, Benin City to be precise. From Medical Store Road, my area still get area, my place of birth, like that area na horror babe na be. That area na dey for your born me, that sand na dey take born me so. So this matter, e over concern me. With all due respect to each and every one of you. The hot topic now say, man, they get COVID-19 food for storage for Benin City there. Where people they find food where they not see, people can't get to come out now, go bust the place, carry the food, the indomie. Some even they carry people things where not even concern the rice and the indomie. I see all of them play out for social media, and many of my wonderful brothers and sisters can they give different opinion for this matter so. But the one way be the okoko way they inside so. Now the one way one of our adorable sister talk for this matter, she just cut chain so. She just let the dog out. She just let everything out so. With all due respect to her, who are they talk about so? Now no other person than the swagalicious babe on social media, Stainless, the only babe where they talk and raw, where they talk and sit the vouloir for belle. I think everybody know this my beautiful sister. As she see the video where they say food they for government warehouse, the thing provoke her. She even cry for the matter safe. Then she can't just let us just in all the secret matter so, the expulsion so, the money where they can't they share so. She mentioned many people name for social media. With all due respect to each and every one of you, as you already know, I know they put my mouth for matter onto say because I me talk pass or it's me that know it pass. That one not being at all my wonderful brothers and sisters. I dey chook my mouth for matter where I see say man, I feel render my small opinion to see how I fit say be different in my own little way. I hope una understand, una not take am personal, and I also pray the good spirit touch una hearts, una fit understand where I from dey come from this matter and where I dey go. Una for not come take my word out of context, with all due respect to each and every one of you. According to her, this our Edo brother, almost everybody for social media will still know this my brother, Bros Albert Obaze. According to her, he can't do live screaming. When the news fair buster say food dey warehouse, he can't do live screaming. He can't tell public say food not dey, food not dey. Na lie, mona tell na people make they go house say food not dey there. So as she dey do the video, thanks to my wonderful commenters, they come now write am for her platform say food dey the warehouse, so say they just open the warehouse now, say it just full. Now my sister just cut chain onto the kind person where she be. Like, she not dey like oppression, she not dey say you be my friend, say she can't see truth, she not can't talk am. Many people know her to be like that on social media. So she come now provoke, call out our brother Albert Obaze, say Albert Obaze no fit talk say he no know anything for that matter. Say our governor no fit talk say he no know say food dey there. She talk many things as they take send money come for them. When she go Governor Obaseki office, envelope na take give her money. And pa Eddie Murphy say make Bros Eddie Murphy come talk the truth, come out, not those sergeant you there ogele yasunu. If not be so it happen, like she really go into details, you understand. In her body language, I say am say man, she was really touched. She was angry. She couldn't hold some things back again. She just come dey talk and she just say come. You know, when person don't fed up, when person find out say man, you dey lie to am since the way that person you take provoke, the provocation the worst pass holding provocation. With respect to my holding brothers and sisters out there, so when I listen to that video, mona no verse, I no watch and finish, because many video come dey where you will need to go like check for you to pick your information together. I still go Bros Albert platform, I go see what that one still talk. So before you come this side, come this side, another one does still start, I no watch and finish, but I watch where they interesting, where she for come like the verse, say man, liberty for everybody, revolution, our own friendship now, make you chop, make I chop. She no want see poor person, you understand. Those were the main important topic where me just focus on. The small one I still watch for Albert too, that one still talking on. He no know, make stainless, no let her open mouth. I just pick small headline for that to see how fit a couple the whole matter together. Many things can they unfold for this matter where just be like small matter. So it's not small, this one a government matter, politics matter, my brothers and sisters. So when she talk for that video, say man, they can they wire money for people accounts, people take to 200k, say supposed be 800k, you understand. When she talk that word, I can't like so this rumor where can they fly, they go for social media, say man, Governor Obaseki they pay people for social media, so this thing are really true. I can't they like they put everything together to like try and make sense of the whole matter. Now I can say they really know they know person finish. Now only yourself, now you know. That is why when you are speaking, don't speak for everybody. You only know yourself. Speak for yourself. If you not take, talk say you not take. Not talk say we not take. It not concern you, concern we. You don't know how it they play. You don't know whether another person will take on. Now make me talk on for the last video when I do about Mr. Showore. Say Mr. Showore talk say some people they take money for back. Some people don't get richer for the back door. Not me say come they talk to everybody. Now only yourself now you know. This one I might take for the matter. Make una no verse. I know say many people not go get this my opinion funny. I understand. Everybody not fit just dey for one place. You understand? Not be what you like, not be I like. Not be what me like, not be you like. That this one not reach where me and you want to still be feature that puts. Because at the end of the day, everybody they entitled to his or her opinion. If you look all this matter well now, my brother, una know they see politician hand for all this matter. Una know they see say man, the old cargo way they inside this politics game. Say man that they play draft with us Edo people. Una know they see una no dey see the handwriting well for wall. I no dey try dey wan defend anybody. No, I dey speak for the greater good of my state. I dey speak for the greater good of my country, Nigeria. I no dey for PDP or APC. At the end of the day, APC and PDP no get we help. You understand? If to say they get who they help, many of us for not dey for Europe today. Many of us for just dey like princess and princes who will be, where Baba God say will be. So that one and that one for them, my brothers and sisters. This old thing where they play for social media, so in my opinion, foul play they play for here. Politicians they play for here. You no get one do and reach, my brothers and sisters. Make we feel now say because say man, we say revolution now, say the old cargoes go let them just come like that. That time when they first take come life before us, they use and take get sense pass us. They know how they want to push people. We go be say man, we go fall. Edo people, we don't dey lose guard. Edo people, with all due respect, we dey play to their trap right now. Not be saying a lie, brother. Not be saying a lie, sister. With all due respect, I not care to know who they give money, who they not give money, because at the end of the day, many of us where they talk for social media right now, if they give us the money, we will take them. You understand? So more not con they like they put fire for everywhere to just jaga finish. We need love, and that love now will stand put. Now that love now all of us go preach. More not they distracted. This one and their strategy. Say men so they need to use us against ourselves right now. They need to bring that proof where you see say where you say he I see her. Don't say they tell me I see her with my eye. Una even know say man, all these politicians they do meeting for midnight. When you and me they sleep, they go they do meeting. People where they do meeting, una think am for a second say man, they not go fit go plant waiting not there for somewhere. My do people. I know they by any chance they talk now say Governor Obaseki na ain't con good pass, na ain't con perfect pass. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. We were left with two choice. We be say man, we not get choice. We need to deal with one. It just can't be like a America election where they don't know whether may they take Donald Trump or may they take Hillary Clinton. We were left with no choice. We were left with only these two choice. We not get choice. The people who vote for Mr. Obaseki, believe me, you not be all of them, not be collect money. Some people just see and say, man, I believe this man. Now they vote for him. I know say man, he will fit deliver. Now make people vote for him. With all due respect to each and every one of you. See, my people, the one why they talk the con just now, a horror babe na be. I don't know medical. Where has they? See a horror see medical. I be full born or horror picking. This one be say they carry mama and papa con, they carry the belle con, they come born for there or they call renters for horror there. Not be so it be. Now horror they take bomb the day where make me now horror sound they take bath me full bona fide for horror. As I talk to una so I don't know where that warehouse they. Now here now I tell the year and say medical store. That time I would think say na just normal name as horror be. I don't know say medical na medicine. People, my people, I don't know. I don't know. I don't believe say I don't reach abroad before I come they say medical store road. Na medical, na medicine, na I mean. I dey feel say na normal name because what you grow with, that's you don't memorize and you don't dey used to you na normal name. Na so it be for me. Mona ask the question, how people they know say storage dey there, be warehouse dey there. Where be say people come they enter motor they come they carry food. This thing they plan a brother, they plan a sister. Maybe and you take the fight ourselves for social media like this. It's weaponized. They play with our emotion, my people. More not for put, more focus. That's what I'm saying. More focus. You wait, some people they medical. Some people they medical. They born for medical. We don't know where that warehouse they. They don't know. They just be like me. I don't believe say now let me one. Now be like this for that full horror medical. Uselu New Bini. I don't believe say now let me. Some people they we don't even old for that time. So we don't know whether warehouse they for medical. What even make them they call a medical store road? Many people don't know like me before. Not be like. I know they try to talk now say I just they know for the first time, but you never tell where I know. I don reach abroad before I come know say okay medical store road na medical I mean medicine dem store maybe na where dem dey put medicine. I don reach abroad, I don dey get sense before I come start to dey imagine am. No be say na lie. Mona ask question now. How people take know? How people take know? Few months ago, Governor Obaseki was APC. How did I tell they play my people now? Mona beg now. We are bigger than this. We are bigger than this. Make una beg. It's possible they go plant am there. It's possible. Not be lie. Maybe you just stay rack ourselves. Now the matter be. Now APC fair day now. People wey no like am, wey no like the way they do, wey they beef am, wey they like. That's where they beef each other. Big quarrel where they get. Not be the one me and you they see so for social media. Oh. If care is not taking my brother and my sister, they don't zuzobo for this their matter. They don't go many see for this their politician matter. So we just they look say na politics. But now me and you, the poor masses, we still they struggle to live. Now they want to do all this matter. They don't know say gun and bomb, you know, they work again. More wise, my people. More wise. How many months ago he come up for APC? When he was still campaigning, as a sitting governor from APC, my people. Now me know my people now they go bear now they happen so. People where they work with before, they know where all those warehouses, they know how they play, they know how they do night meeting. I beg my people, make una beg. Make una beg. Mo not play to their trap, I beg una. Now only that one me you can do. I just can beg una. Mo na beg. Wala wo. Wala ho ime wa. Wala wo. COVID-19 re ya. We want for see money to go dey bail our brothers and sisters. Where tears dey we want continue dey waste this time. Where our own mama not get tears for eyes again because anybody we just mona beg na wala wo enwa ya gbofen orache na gbofen gbache ma ya na enwa na wagima luwe wala wo wala ho why gima yeve ne gbe ya toli ma ya tolo wala wo with all due respect ge me ya wala ho wala wo. Politicians they play us right now. Politicians want more fight ourselves. Politicians not they happy for the unity where me and you they share for that Edo land. My Edo people more wake up. Make we not door, more not sleep, more wake ourselves as we don't wake ourselves. So I beg you all in the name of God. I beg you all in the name of whatever you believe. Is it possible say our governor no know say those food they there? Yes, it is possible, my people. It is really possible. How many local governments will get for Edo where be say man Governor Obaseki go just know everything about the warehouse? It's not possible. Sometimes he can just make a call and send people may go control all those things. They not go, but they go call them back say Oga Excellency, everywhere yours pepper soup, everywhere just dey, and they not come up for house. What did they tell our governor unto saying believe the staff? Now go come give to the people. It is not compulsory that our governor have to go like they secure or they survey everywhere. Not be survey that they call them. Mona no verse. It's not possible, my brothers and sisters. Do we even know how many calls in they receive every day? We know how many appointments that man they miss. I don't know him personally. Honestly, I don't know him. But he know me say man, na him come perfect pass for this world. Nobody is perfect. They made mistake as every normal human being. They made mistake, my people. Mona not let all these politicians tap in our anger we just rise so they want profit from our anger. I beg you all not to fall for this trap. I beg una. Now they don't understand the power of social media. Politicians no need to give people ratata again. No, they just need to just look for somebody with voice strong for social media, use that person to take like start war for town. Not be saying a lie. Now waiting just they happen so. Now so whole country say they fight a cold war now. They know they send soldiers against the fight they do them. They do cyber fighting na dem dey do these days. Na e reach Africa, na e reach Nigeria. Na politicians know say men, I know if we do this thing, people will riot or people will rebel or make we use them against themselves. Na strategy, na the plan, na the game, my people. More not for this thing. I beg you all in the name of God. I dey beg una in the name of anything we wanna believe. My lovely sister Stainless, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of say anything where you don't believe. Now I say beg you as an Edo sister. Please, my sister, let this thing, let am go down. I beg you, I beg you, I beg you. I know say the pain to see your own people they suffer, to see your own people not see food eat. I know it hurts, I know it pains, but my sister, enwaya gbofenorahe, nana gbofengbahe. Uma understand my sister. When you first come out, come talk say, man, our governor not give you dime. Me personally, I not believe him. I believe say not be only me for the world. Many people they will not believe am. When me and you know say for Bongo, for Africa, you go greet who get money or person will get money can't greet you. He not give you money. Iman na egboana. Iman na egboa. That is Mike level talk will drag am for ground. We go tell now so you stingy, now so you greedy, you not fit give us money. For Nigeria, for Edo State, you not fit go greet person. See they happen till today now for abroad. You come out go greet person, make the person fair give you water. Unto say man you dey waka they come from sun. Unto say you don't trek tire, may fair give you water. No, they not give you water because the teacher say na fuck up. You must go borrow money if you not get money. To take buy any key for fridge, to take buy beer for fridge, to take do anything put for fridge because we believe say sira runye. Which is not supposed to be so. What did I do where I speak yours now mean? May I see whether my translation will work. It may say we believe say na stranger fronts now therefore they do debts, but now back now therefore they pay them. They not go give you water, they go give you beer. Now that one people take believe say may you day. Now that one people take believe say may you day okay. But water way they important for life, they not go give you. We were trained and programmed that way. Say man, money na ultimate. You need to show me, you need to make me see am. May I no say you dey try. So I not believe am for a second. Say our excellency not give Sister Stainless small thing. I not believe am. But hey, that one not missing a government money give am. If they receive salary on a normal ground, if it dash person money, because I be politician, I dash you money. Not missing a government money, and I dash you. I have my own personal money. With all due respect, I know, I understand. Say na out of anger, now she take talk am. Say man, what about talk? Now provoke her take talk am. But my sister, la wo vijeme no vijeme. I even egbe ya tolo ma ya tolo. Understand my sister, because sometimes ma even egbe ya toli ma ya tolo. Oh no, my money ga iri oto ne ma do regrets. Even ma take not saying like. Wetin dey normal, that's wetin we be talk wey be say man na eye opener. You go come like corner dey say not be this road I for follow for this matter. You understand my sister? And e get some truths wey we as human being go know. We know say na true, but because of the chaos wey we cause for public, we go just let am go. E no mean say man we not be truth teller again. E no mean say man we not sabi talk again, or e no mean say we don't know the right medicine to give people wey get fever or wey get malaria. E no mean say we don't know. There are some truths where you just have to let go. That is why some politicians they do dialogue. That is why some politicians not they feel they do what they want do because something dey wey be say man they not go fit talk come out. Don't be say they not go fit talk am. They know say if they talk this thing come out, it go cause riots for town, it go cause chaos for town, it go cause calamity. That is, people will lose life put. They go just keep on to themselves to make peace reign. You don't understand my sister? I appreciate the fact say you come out, come talk and say man corruption still dey play, even if as we see dey see am say man this one still pure small, corruption still dey. I understand, but my sister, this period wey everywhere take dey hot so you for fair your mellow small. Uka zene. Uma understand my sister? Inye roba lo. honestly na person wey never suffer for that country na no fit understand your own pain. Once you know wetin be suffer, when you be street girl or street boy, you go understand everything wey you dey try to talk. I really do understand you, my sister, but there are some things you for just let go, you for just let am go, you for not just talk am. You understand? This period wey be say man, everything everywhere just dey hot, boo 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 boo. My sister, why aware? Because they already know say na wetin will provoke you. They already don program and they don study these things, sister. Say man, if you see this thing na gbe, if you see this thing, social media will catch fire. It is program, sister. Not be say na lie. Oh sister, oh you let them just like make you talk wetin you not supposed talk on a normal ground. If na 200 or 1 million all these politicians they take for their service, we no talk say that they rob us now. We no go talk say that they rob us. You talk am by yourself, auntie. You talk am there say man, that one not be money. They even they suppose they tell you say man, you not collect money rich. You work and they paid you for it, and so Onima said no provoking makakabo, my sister, because one aim not be money. If one aim na money where politicians they take for one hand, I don't believe say me and you go dey cry. I don't believe say me and you go come up for house. I don't believe say people go say man na COVID rise. Now they want come dey fight put. Honestly, my sister, I don't believe so. If we look that video where my sister COVID-19 rise where they carry come up for that place, e not reach 20 bags. E not reach 20 bags. Do you know some wicked politicians still have this rice in their house just for any day like this? Now politicians will they talk about at the end of the day, they are playing politics with poor citizens' life. That is the picture I want you people to see. Now wetin they no want more see na be this one. Ni ma wa agbelegbe man, ni ma wa ahengbe man. Enyaje, my sister. You for not just let the dog out. You for not let am out, sister. You for not let am out this period. I mean, not be say you for not let am out, because they say see something and say something. When you see corruption, talk about that corruption, because if you not talk about some, honestly, you no go stop. But hey, sister, do you know it is possible? Say our governor no even know say they share money for social media. Yes, it is possible, and it's also possible say he know say they share money. You understand? If he know say they share money, but he go do say he no see, he no sign her. If voice not there, then they see Mr. Fix It for his side politics. He go just throw away eye, but he no say you they do that thing. He no go talk, but so that they no go feel use the word against them tomorrow. That is politics for you. If he come out tomorrow now, even if say he know, if he come and say he no know, say they share that money, and he not really know, they go ask who bring the money. They go say see who bring money. Now our governor bring money? Absolutely no. He name the signature? No. My sister, Wagima Tamiyana, where we wise pass them. Both say una fe con life pass us. We don't know why they play. All these things na RNG. All these things na RNG. May you see as the thing they follow body now. They never swan in again. Oh. Am I there? Besue governor yo. Problem they fall on top problem. Problem they fall on top problem. May they by see reason to take say men that they go courts. Say this election is not pure, it not work. Inside all this small period, so now the bad brother first come and say man, beg. Now they do this, now they run show, now they do this. Hey, may money come out. Who know what that one still here? Who know who will pump that one? Who know? That one never die finish. People still they talk about that one. They go bust prison. They never still do that one finish. That one investigation still they grand. They see they do one wuru. How it take play? What did they happen? I don't know who do one. Neither you know. Me no know. You no know. Papa no know. Mama no know. Only people will do that thing I know. You understand? Then we let investigation take place. that one never even finish for ground. They still dey investigate o. Naira is just come. Okay, where be the period wey be say may this man want just a rest? Which time they want to investigate one before they enter another one? In hand never full. All one born here to solve all name a problem. All here to solve a problem on way. And we do. Wanna just see this small example now. Edo not be Lagos. Where the report from first start said that they loot Lagos. The second place na Edo, and una come out they tell us say Edo not be Lagos. Are we not the same now? Make we wake up Edo. We are wiser than this. We are bigger than this. Make we not kill ourselves because of money. What it be 200k? What it be one ham? One fight ourselves put our own money. Our own money. If to say that they talk and now say man, they give Stainless 500 million. They give the other one 10 million. They give the other one 50 million. They give the other one million. They fly for social media. I go they hear. Money where they talk now. If una calculate am, e no reach 5 million. E no reach 5 million. My people, wetin we no dey see? Why we no dey see this conspiracy? Why we no dey see this? I will do everything possible to make sure say man, all these people magba. Una no dey see am. My brothers and sisters wey dey vex for this matter now say hey, they share money oh. Ask yourself this simple question: are you really angry that they gave people to 200,000, or you are angry say they don't involve you? Let's be plain. Let's tell ourselves the truth. This is why I always insist that you should be the change you want. Without you not be the change you want, change can never come. See another video where this my same sister Stainless, where she share for her wall just now. Can you imagine somebody where they say they injure for protest? The person, Good Samaritan, carry and go private hospital. He reach private hospital, nobody come pay for a bill. They not still mind. Okay, more do one good edo, more do one good human. They begin they treat them. They don't call people. Nobody answer them. Person where they treat, where they pity for. Thief nurse where they treat them for.
You said Oga said they should do video. Okay.
Just. What's his name?
Roland.
This is one of the patients brought to a private clinic, rescued almost at the point of death as an emergency. He's been treated here for over 4 days now without any charge. No penny is placed on him as charge for the services rendered. His medical bills are just done freely. Even someone else has offered and paid for a Uber car to take him to his destination, where he mentioned, somewhere in Bonica, in VI. Roland is his name. Now, upon all this goodness he got from this very private clinic, he was so wicked enough to steal the phone of one of the nurses attending to him. Here is the phone. The phone is flipping. Yeah, this is the phone of the nurse, one of the nurses. He stole it and hid this phone inside his pint. It is an evident truth that this is one of the looters, one of the sponsored talk to disrupt the peaceful protest of the youth. This was one of the people looting, stealing, giving the protesters bad name. This is one of them. If he's this wicked.
Thief the phone of the nurse where they want make it stay alive. Now you not get money to pay. Thank you not come out for your mouth. The only thing you can think of is to steal your helper phone. Can you imagine? Can you just see that we just really need to change for this change to come? When politicians see say man, we just we just dey talk am, we no dey do am. They will profit from every opportunity. Any leaking hole wey we just put for ground. Nigeria for see person wey be lokozuna, all pin luvun, all pin la. You go the one that say, na so this person, na so e dey flexible. When me or flexible there now, or flexible like just to make sure say that space where dey for that place, he fill am up with his spelling agents, with the evil eye, with the evil mouth, with the evil hand. He will make sure say that space, if good thing no cover am. He will make sure. So please, my wonderful brothers and sisters, it is possible that our governor know nothing about that rice where they go put for there. It's possible to say he know, but my brothers and sisters, as that Nigeria take dey play, as politics matter take dey, as this PDP APC matter take play for Edo State, una believe say man, all these things na normal. One never finish, one they come. One never finish, one they come. Okay, nan, ma ve guavege we au na man normal. It's not normal. I tell you, want be governor. More say I want to enjoy that seat. Make we see as he want to enjoy that seat. Is it possible that Albert knows about that thing? Maybe yes, maybe no. But in my opinion, I think say that guy no know. Because if to say no, if for not on camera, now the facts be that one my people. Me wa where we know what they make career or whatever mane gwa here. O magbana. It's not possible, my people. No leave anger aside. They know say this tension. Say man, we need change day here. Everything, anything you just touch anybody, just now wasakbo. They know that they feed on our anger. We shouldn't allow them. We shouldn't. More resist them. More tell them, say, yes, we are ready. We know they distract. You not fit distract us. You not fit distract us. We will need change. All this old cargo, they don't know computer. Now we will need change. Now we they help them out. Now my generation will be computer wizard. Now they help all this old cargo to fire their own people. We need to change. We need to stop working for all these people. We need to belong to the group. We need to be inside. We don't need to fight ourselves. We don't need to pull ourselves down. Now waiting they want. Now waiting they want my sister. Now waiting they want my brother. Still let's don't pour our mouth come out. You will want come reply. How you take they come? You see they come with your own cutlass. Don't wanna ona gbewana. Don't wanna ona guna. They change in magwalona. Change sagenoa. A change sagenoa eviedo. The question we should be asking now: how those people take money na for there? How the information take come? How the information take come? Who they in charge of that warehouse? Make the person come talk. Say, Governor Obaseki, he dey aware of this thing. Not because say we dey assume, not say because say we dey talk, not because say they make us see. Not be everything we resemble true be true. That is why sometimes I don't believe a picture is worth more than 1,000 words. I don't know I tell the talk, pardon me. Sometimes I know they believe am. They know saying that this one will provoke people. It's possible. Politicians, they can go any length to hold their power. They can go any length to keep us for their under sleepers. They can go any length. They can do anything. They feel use human being to do sacrifice. Don't be lie. For them to obtain that power, for them to enslave their people, they are willing and ready to go any length. They don't care. They don't care. Some people are so toxic of this power. Some people, they drunk of this power. Una don't know the power what they install on one person. Do una know the kind of power what they with Governor Obaseki? If he's not careful, he will run mad. If he head not strong, he will run mad. Now, because you don't know the power where you get, you don't know the power where you give one person. How can one person, only one person, just get the authority of Jesus, of millions? That's million spirits. that one a million spirit. Now they use only one person. Once you sit down for that chair, all our power, you vote for one, you not vote for one, as long as the governor of Edo State, from that moment where they sit down for that seat, see, all our spirits there with them. It there with them, my brothers and sisters. Make we beg, may we not let them use us again. May we not let them use us against ourselves again. Make we wait, make investigation take place. The only thing me and you need to do now calling for investigation. How it take play? How come food dey there when my people they hungry? We don't need to let them they happy. We were they happy day before yesterday. Now we can't fight ourselves. How it take they play, my people? Una not they see all these things. Una no dey see all Mona no get me wrong. I know they talk say Governor Obaseki na come better pass for this world. I know they talk so. You cannot be imperfect and be expecting a perfect person. You can't. You not perfect. You dey look for who perfect. How is it possible? If for example say Governor Obaseki know of the 200,000 or 800,000 where they pay, my brothers and sisters, you know which way they are people too. Say now only 800,000 now they give people. We should say the man try. Not to talk of say trace not dey. Say now the man I really do one. Trace not dey. It's possible say individuals now can they put that money for people accounts unto say they don't want make it be say man. They will base come for those states. If to say Governor Obaseki no win for this election, many people dey wait for wrong come for their papa and their mama land. Don't be saying a lie. Many people dey. Not be this social media. One of our daddy for Edo State say even though na last call, but he go spend that for this election for Epa Eze Iyamuto to win. Not be this social media all of us for watching. Individuals dey we go just donate say okay we know say man this babe get voice, no just tell am say na Governor Obaseki make she just take get hope or make it take get hope. With all due respect, say in don near governor, say man in the rapport with governor so that make it dey vibrant where there are people that have been where they study people where they know say man this is what you want. There are people that study people for crying out loud. Life dey inside life. Oh, life dey inside life, my people. You go just sit down, just dey do your own thing. Inside what you dey do, people dey where they read that thing where they do. You never do and finish. Oh, people don't solve the mathematics finish. Now the kind of life where we dey be that one. Somebody just dey, he go just carry on like contract. Say okay, no problem. Anything we want just dey come out from this angle. Now me go dey handle am. If it dey possible, say Albert himself no see 1 naira for this thing. Unto say tomorrow go better. Now make am dey do this thing. Unto say if a governor win, maybe before 4 years go finish, people wey dey vex for me go don vex for me finish. So I need to try my best for this man to win. It might be possible. Say you no give am money. It might be possible say even lose put unto say in the feel say maybe tomorrow I go gain am. It's still possible say man people wey just dey use eye tell dey see and say man they enter governor office in go ajay me unto say they believe say man he go fit appoint them. It's possible. It's possible, my brothers and sisters. First ask yourself, wetin you dey vex for? You dey vex say man they no involve you for the matter or they share money for the matter? Which politics for this world wey be say man the people wey dey do campaign they not see they get antara inside? Name me one. If na so that they do am, if to say na so that they do am to 200k corruption for day, no more even say 1 million. Where they'll just carry Jesus Christ. They'll just carry car. What did they call that car? I don't know. Car of money, go just they drive, they go one politician house. Then with the quarrel for 800,000, 200,000. With the quarrel, my brothers and sisters. God go still bless that my sister for still like showing us say man, not be everything you're pure like that. Everything not pure. Dirty still dey. Dirty way just dey. So my sister, no leave am. With time we will wash am out. With time there corruption na was na a problem here, my sister. Problem no dey. I feel your pain. I know where you are coming from. Before you come talk, I understand. But my sister, don't be surprised. They are tapping into your anger. They know say if you see that video, they know say if you see that rice, say man, you go cut chain. Honestly, they know. They know. On a normal ground, when you go NCLC office, you test somebody, test somebody. Say NCLC give you 1K or 2K or 5K, you test somebody. And that somebody test somebody, know somebody, will come use and take play politics. No be lie. No be lie. As you come talk now, my sister, it confirm wetin about brother talk. Say money dey. They spend the money. They share the money. They share the money. The people wey they say they share the money for now for social media. Me mami no doma GP wo. Abila Bogini. I no see. If to say na the main politicians, me and you they talk so they don't buy private jets. What are we not saying, my people? Why we want lose focus? Why we want miss track? Why would they play to their trap? Why? The person who should be calling now the person wait there for that zone. Not be already be that area. The leader, the oga wait there that zone. Now don't one and they give the rice. Not be Obaseki. Now that one we go they ask for accountability. How dare you? Wetin happen? Wetin they use this rice they do? I had this rice they where my people they hungry. Now that one we will face. Not be Governor Obaseki. They want you to always be seeing the picture, the face where they put for board. Now that one they want me to see. They where they do the evil, they don't want you to see them. They don't want to talk about them. They want you to see the face where everybody just know Governor Obaseki. Now Governor Obaseki now they rule the local governments. Not be people they distribute those things for. Now Governor Obaseki go put them for a warehouse if he did that warehouse. Not be person go put them. Not be person go put them there, my brothers and sisters. This is what they want, and we are giving it to them. We are fighting ourselves. What do we what do we think say that they do now? They drink wine, they laugh us. The prince and the princesses, some people just sit down, they drink beer for our matter. Say we dey fight ourselves. My Edo people, why now? My Edo people, why? Una no vex, una not take am person. I just want to make una just like really see wetin I think. Oh, I know the talk and say na true, but look at whether it no make sense. Just sit down, reason whether it no make sense. This man they never swan in. Oh, he just knew win. Oh, he just knew win. It just Jesus. It just new win. Not me say the COVID-19 don't finish now. It's still there. Not me say COVID-19 don't finish. At the end of the day, they can't see all this rice, they can't see all this Indomie, don't expire. Why they not bring out comments? All of us they vex. I go understand. For Italy for year, they don't lock us for us again. We not fit come out again. As from 6 o'clock, you can't go to restaurants, you can't go to bar. You can't. It's still happening. Till date, it happen. So why are we angry? Why are we angry? Why are we giving them what they want? Why will they give to them what they want? Okay, now they carry the food where they put for ground. How on other people property, how people gas, they affect rice. How they be the same? Where they consider loot other people things. When they watch people, they cry. The man where they look the warehouse, seeing that man, your heart will be broken. Your heart go just dey broken. You get another man where they consider interview. The man say, man, that one na in life service. That one na still government property, my people. If I government in here, not just human being like you, your fellow citizen like you, where they struggle as you they struggle. Where they struggle as you they struggle, my people. Where you want better life as you want better life. We want better life as you want better life. Please, my people, please, more cool the currents down. Wallah wo. Wallah. We need peace in Edo States. We need love in Edo States. We need unity in Edo States. Mo no let people we not rich come they use us against ourselves. Ovie dokpa marin. E kompaya huemaya. E kompa aya huemaya waya la wo. Waya la. Make we not just the verse as we take here matter. More drink water, more reason, more calculator. More we know whether people they play with our massive head, our head too big for one politician we don't hold, we need to come up for office to come they use. Especially we don't come up for house. More tell them say we don't go. Message where they send us, more go learn. We don't come back. Now we go tell them now as they play. Enough is enough. Stop using my people. Let my people go. Set them free. Stop using them against themselves. Stop it. Stop it. Mona stop and make una beg. Oh no oni san ria. Women where they born these children won't take they do all this una evil. Will be say men una don't raise not don't boosting their anger. They can't go do what they're not supposed to do. They can't buy any of them or they put them for prison. Now women born them. Now mama carried those children for 9 months. So now mama now carry those people for 9 months. If now where will you give away? Will you give away? Because enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough, my people. More not they play politics with people's life. More talk matter as it be. Everybody is bound to explode. We be humans. Sometimes we don't feel control our anger, especially when we just know say somebody will trust hurt us so much. I understand that fact. I just understand that, not be saying a lie, I understand that. I just dey beg, make we are beg sometimes. Ni ma ka 1 minute before make react. Na do me we manite say, ma do riabe. It is very, very possible, my brothers and sisters. Say politicians wey no dey sleep, politicians wey just dey open eye 24 hours, na just draw that map. Not just draw why I'm with anywhere I'm with my video jo I want my video jo was send again in rewebo etin we ngwa evidence na one man where a governor na o jobo jewo no like seriously. You can fool some people sometimes, you can't fool everybody at the same time. It's not possible. It's not possible. Or not possible. People don't really tire. People don't fed up for the kind of life where they live for house. People don't tire for the kind of life where they live for abroad. So they at a lot. That they watch. That they watch. Mona stop am. Mona stop all this thing wanna they do. Mona stop am. Wala wo ge imenya. Ti menya wala ho. wala wo na wetin dey tell Governor Obaseki na Governor Obaseki go tell people na I think say he believe say as him be na so every other person be. I don't know why, I just believe so. He believe say as him be na so every other person be. No be so. As they tell am, you come still tell people like that. We not expect make sitting governor they go local government every week or every day to go they observe. Why he get staffs? Why we think say for area that they get Odion way, after Odion way, get person wey see they follow Odion way, get person wey they follow the one way they follow Odion way. In fact, as our mama take born us, not be step by step. You can't do it alone. It's not possible. Only you want your idea can't. You no go fit. Now me can't get staffs where they do things for them. Only our power where they with and they move on. All what we do one way me have a buy. It's a catch on here more many. It's a country. Governing man here now why more maybe na better. Only your own spirits wey just dey rebel for social media dey shake the world. Imagine saying that kind thing spirit dey with one person. How he go do am? He go kolo if you not take time. Oh what you want for? Even na better. Some people spirit is too strong. Oh what you want for if you are not careful? My people. The period wey they talk so say man food take come, you not share am for people, you not go the survey places where they put food. How we want make Oleyinte do all of them? How do we want him to be in different place at the same time, my people? This period na election period though. They go give am script to read. They go tell am say you get appointment today. He go meet with this governor. He go meet with this local chairman. He go meet with this one. He go meet with that one. He go meet with this one. Campaign day. No. Now the same only him we want make he enter motor, make he go dey look different warehouse. How many food dey? Not be people, not be the control those local government area. Where those people name my people? Why would they take only one picture where they give us? That is what I'm asking. Why? Why my people? Why my people? Wala wo. Wagima teme vena oya matima. Wagima iga yeni. We yeren yo egberi ma vigima ton wo wane ya. Now our people they feel the heat. Now our people now they feel am well no be say me and you know the feeling. If we talk finish now we off our phone, we on Scadamento heater, he blast nonsense come off for our head. But people they there, we go risk their life, we want go carry bag of rice, we want go carry half bag of rice, you know every reach half. You know even reach half my people. Since Governor Obaseki talk say he want to enter second term, that man his enemy not get peace. His enemy not get peace. So what is the only way, in my opinion, to make people wey support am dey against am now to bring all this food come out? Where people will see, they go vex. They go say, oh, I die no. Where they go say, ooh, this man is an evil man. Like seriously, my Edo people. Make una beg my Edo people. Waya la wo. Iyun jima ya fe no hiro tedo. Iya eni waya. Make we let peace reign. When you dey talk for this matter, I beg you, just let peace reign. If you want to talk to anybody, my people, talk to the politicians. If they say man, they just give you 200k, they give you one hem, they give you 20 hem, they give you 20 hem. If you talk that one, come out on me by myself, go come arrest you. 20 hem big go, it go help thousands for Nigeria. If they give you one hem, they give you 800k, they give you 200k, brother, sister, no talk and come, no na beg. Tension too high right now. attention ha gbe wa ta la dian wa la wo. I know say mona no talk can come out say mona cover evil. No, I'm just saying this period the tension too high. Oh high gbe. We are what the gbe ye fu e yo ni ije ni ari on the wrong bullet in ya meet we moten wo wa me moten wo wa we mo se wo wa me mo se wo wa. Sometimes not be person wey you wan shoot dey take the bullet o na person wey just dey do you own dey go na the bullet go dey meet na the other for call dey speak English wrong bullets. English you know what do arin Mona beg. I come here come beg my wonderful Edo people to drop my own way of viewing this whole thing to come drop am with una make una not take am personal. I beg una nedo ama no se lo ama eije otedo ni rama ora manu wo vijeme o ma me wirame waya la wo wagima vi bia yuropa ni mayama wagima zuru okpa waya la wo. I love one thing where Stainless still talk for there. He said for once she wanted us to speak one language, and believe you me my sister, we spoke the language together. We speak the language of love. Anyhow it can't say play. They bring money, they not bring money. People wey vote for that Edo state. People where you ginger say me they come out, me they go vote. I not believe say they take from the 100K where reach your hand. They vote out of their goodwill. They vote because they believe on love. They vote because they want better thing for their states. Honestly, my sister, it work. Work banima. That's all banima. You not get anything you want regret, my sister. Yes, it dey hot. Yes, it dey pain. But my sister, let it go. I beg you. Let it go. There are some truths you don't just bring out at the wrong time. Bring it out. You can't be like a CID for inside the matter. Oh. Now CID me look you put, not be say math. If to say I be Governor Obaseki, I'll just command the general police. Not be general police that they call them. I'll just buy your ticket. Nah. May you go occupy that seat because you investigate some well. You calm down. You observe. You see things. You see by yourself. Not be say they send you the message. You get all the details. You get all the accounts, all the evidence. You have it all. That is over. Get on the worry. You see her. You see and now you can't talk calm. But my sister, sometimes wetin we dey see nya say be truth, not be true sometimes. Sometimes the truth they hide for back of truth. For the life we just dey so, wetin you go just see. When to a surprise we ija. Iwa mi na ban ya green ga no. Sirawe green ni we wa de. What da you won bo o wa hin yellow. It go just turn to yellow. You will come like one come convince yourself. Maybe na me no see am. What they say. But there was the real truth. There was the real color behind the color where you can't see. Sometimes they give us what we want to see. We want me because they know say it must provoke you if you see am. Because they know say you know they like all those kind of things. So what to do? Not to just play the card. Not to just push them out there. Not to just make people see, wanna take evidence. This one, in my opinion, not be this period for talk come. You do well as you talk come, you do well as you expose them, you do well as you talk, say they take money, that they do them because of money. Sometimes it might not be like that. Sometimes na individual na just send that money can't give una. If it just be said this one the first time where our governor tell they hear this matter, so it's possible. It's possible. Why ye the again ya uwe kwa ge of ye deni wala di onwe po. Why ye the ego yohere? Why ye the ego yohere my sister? Ege nani mi ya na tona. Eke ya tongbe. Ekeyatongbe, my sister, nevertheless, thank you very much for still letting us in. The way you take make us still understand what you can they play. I really appreciate you for that. Not be saying a lie. And that of our governor give you envelope, my sister. To me, na normal. To me, as they take train us, you go greet who get money. You go greet who people they look to, or the person can't greet you. He not give you money. Me and you go reason at one kind. When I'm my money, no. Now as they take teach us, na be that one. Every na better. If he not give you back, in conscience go the judge. Sometimes he not go even get all your borrow to just please you. That is how we were brought up. If you're in Rome, you act as a Roman. If you're in Rome, you act as a Roman. That one are just the matter there. How many of us for a year, how many people they listening to my voice right now, we go be say, man, you go greet person wey me and you know say you get money, you know, and this person know say he don't hear your story, say you can't do something and you need money, and you know say, man, this person get the money. Even if say he not gets, you just convince yourself say he gets, and you want to come on, that person not can give you money. You don't know how they play. You don't know how they play. Or you come from abroad, person can't greet you, you not give am gift, you not give am shoe, you not give am top, or you not give am transport. You now boy. Umanate time a plane iwe seko. Umanate time a plane iwe se webo. If you not take time, you need to come lie. If you want come out, if not, the way you come out, you're surprised saying your face go turn my face for your documents. Honestly, you don't see matter. That is how we were brought up. I think personally, say that money we give out not be from government treasure. Ija, I have a government treasure. I have a more officer. I'm more officer in here. I know say na anger, my sister. Please calm down. I just can't beg you. Please don't reply to anybody again. I beg you. Worry yak bitangwa ragbomone. I phone bevene maybe na tie. Worry tie very only. You've said it. I think not be say na shube. I think I'm say na out of anger. I see and say na the way the thing take chocolize you. I see and say, man, you not expect. You can't be like say, man, you know you can't deceive people. That was your reaction. That is what I think was your reaction. I understand perfectly well. But sister, la wo honestly, la wo. Anybody at all we can't talk. Not reply them for the love of Edo, for the greater good of Edo. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of say anything you can't believe, my sister. I beg you to please let it go. Just forget because of our umbrella. La wo because ekenana swani viedo ave swani rima bai la wo je venije la ho given for veniana la wo. What I mean by this period too hot where this matter take come out, where my sister tell let the dog out or the cat out, anyone, so I say na animal jump out for that bag. Anyone it be, problem not there. A good example for this thing, when I remember America President Kennedy, na year he did for book na you understand, where they assassinate for America, when I not say till today till tomorrow. In fact, they say they investigate them. What happen? When I want tell me say, whole America never know who do that plot. Una really convince yourself, una believe, say who do that thing, who draw that map, the country or the family or anybody we can't do that thing. We by Kennedy, president of America, whole America president. Una believe say they never still know who do am. Una believe so, me not believe so. They not talk because they no saying he go scatter the world. That information they the most secret book one fit think of for this world. They go lock them for where they want to lock anybody put. If alien secrets they where they lock alien secrets put. In fact, where that document they is still secret past that alien. Oh, not be saying a lie. They don't want to let them out because they don't want to cause chaos in the world. If that story still come out tomorrow, it go still cause Third World War. It go still cause some. Not be saying a lie. A whole America president, you go see. In fact, non-American go verse put. That is why I think they not still let that secret out till tomorrow. That is what I meant when I say the tension too high now when my sister take bring this thing out. You for not bring am out this period, my lovely sister, because many people see the vex, because many people never still accept the defeat of this election. That one and the fact, my lovely sister, make we all abeg mo not let politicians use us against ourselves, with all due respect from the bottom of my heart. So this one are the hot reports, the hot topic when I get, why I say my quickly can drop for now to share my own take for the matter. Not be to tell anybody say na me no a pass, not be to tell anybody say it's me that sabi pass. Absolutely no, that's not my intention, that's not my calling, that's not me. I just dey try I just dey try to represent the change what I truly and really want. I just dey try to represent the change where I want see personally around me, what I want see for my environment, what I want see for my beautiful gallant state Edo and my wonderful country Nigeria. Please, my wonderful brother, be the change you want and let me be the change I want. Be the change you want, my gallant sister, and let me be the change I want, because you are the change we are looking for. I am the change we are looking for. Together, when we all change, believe me, our father and our motherland will be one of the best in the world. Not be saying a lie. If by any chance, any means, any shape, any form at all, any of my video offend you personally, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. For love's sake, for peace sake, just find one being way near you. May you just throw away the one way not good inside. Do with the one way good, because at the end of the day, message don't be for everybody. Take your own inside and leave the rest for others. See, I come your way next time. This Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Please, if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for now? Subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. And I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in, give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other, give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge and every other bad stuff. Till I come your way next time, don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to patronize me, and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love, love you in the name of whatever you believe. To the next video, one love.